Hello everyone, I'm Matt with EHAS Academy. Welcome to our time together, and let me tell you, I am so excited to be talking to you today about something that's near and dear to my heart, wellness. Not just any kind of wellness, but the kind that transforms workplaces into thriving communities. We're going to unlock the secrets to building a successful wellness program step by step. And you know what? We're doing this together. Get ready to take notes because what you're about to learn will empower you to create a workplace where everyone feels valued, supported, and ready to be their best selves. Let's dive right in.
Now, we all know that taking care of our bodies is the foundation of feeling good, right? It's about more than just checking off a box. It's about feeling the energy surge through you, the confidence that comes from knowing you're taking care of yourself. That's why this chapter is all about igniting that spark. Think fitness initiatives that bring people together, maybe even some friendly competition. Let's talk about health screenings that give your employees the information they need to be proactive. And of course, we can't forget nutrition education. It's amazing how food can either fuel our bodies or hold us back. We're going to give you the tools to empower your employees to make healthy choices all day long. You know, for years we didn't talk about mental health enough. But let me tell you, it's just as important as physical health. In this chapter, we're diving deep into creating a workplace where mental health is valued and supported. We're talking about providing counseling services that are confidential and accessible. Imagine giving your employees the gift of stress management workshops where they can learn practical tools to navigate the demands of life. And you know what else speaks volumes? Mental health days. Because sometimes the most productive thing you can do is give yourself permission to rest and recharge. Listen, we've all been there, feeling pulled in a million directions, trying to juggle it all. It's exhausting, but it doesn't have to be this way. In this chapter, we're talking about giving your employees the gift of time, flexible working arrangements where they have the autonomy to design their day in a way that works for them. And let's not forget about generous paid time off, because everyone deserves a break to relax, recharge, and come back feeling refreshed. When employees feel supported in their personal lives, they bring that same energy and focus to their work. Chapter 4. Prevention is powerful. You know what they say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And nowhere is that truer than with health. This chapter is all about empowering your employees to take charge of their well-being. We're talking about education, giving them the knowledge they need to make smart choices about their health. Think wellness assessments that provide personalized insights and vaccination clinics that make staying healthy convenient. When we invest in prevention, we're investing in a brighter future for everyone. Chapter 5. Financial wellness, money matters. Let's be honest, finances can be a major source of stress, but it doesn't have to be a taboo topic. In this chapter, we're shining a light on financial wellness. Because when our employees feel financially secure, it impacts every area of their lives. Imagine offering financial education seminars that give them the tools to budget, save, and invest wisely. And how about employee discounts on financial services? These are just a few ways we can empower our teams to take control of their financial futures. Chapter 6. Social wellness, connecting, and thriving. You know, we're not meant to do life alone. We thrive in community. This chapter is all about cultivating a workplace where connections are made, friendships are formed, and everyone feels like they belong. Think team-building activities that are fun, engaging, and bring people together. Let's talk about volunteer programs that give back to the community and create a sense of purpose. And of course, we can't forget about diversity and inclusion. Because a workplace where everyone feels seen and valued is a workplace that truly thrives. Chapter 7. Occupational health, safe, supported, and satisfied. You know what makes a world of difference? Knowing that your workplace prioritizes your well-being. In this chapter, we're diving deep into occupational health, creating an environment where employees feel safe, supported, and valued. Think ergonomic assessments that prevent injuries and promote comfort. We're talking about comprehensive safety training that gives employees the knowledge and confidence to do their jobs safely. And let's not forget about job satisfaction programs, because when employees feel fulfilled in their work, it impacts every area of their lives. Chapter 8. Challenge Accepted. Health and Fitness Fun. You know me, I love a good challenge. And this chapter is all about injecting a little fun and competition into our wellness program. We're talking about hosting wellness competitions that get people moving and motivated, think step challenges, healthy recipe contests, or even team fitness face-offs. And of course, we have to have incentives and rewards for participation because a little recognition goes a long way. Let's make wellness something that employees look forward to. We spend a lot of time at work, so why not make it a place that nourishes our well-being? This chapter is all about creating a work environment that supports healthy choices and sustainable practices. Think bright, airy spaces with natural light. How about designated areas for breaks and relaxation? And let's not forget about promoting green initiatives, recycling programs, energy conservation, and even office plants. When we create a work environment that reflects our values, it makes a world of difference. Technology has revolutionized the way we access information and services, and healthcare is no exception. This chapter is all about leveraging the power of technology to make wellness resources easily accessible to all employees. Imagine providing access to health apps and platforms that offer personalized tracking, education, and support. And how about incorporating telemedicine services? This allows employees to connect with healthcare providers remotely, saving them time and hassle. Let's make staying healthy as convenient as possible. You know, the journey to wellness is an ongoing one, and it's important to stay flexible and responsive to the needs of our employees. This chapter is all about the importance of program evaluation and feedback. We want to know what's working, what's not, and how we can continuously improve. Think regular surveys that give employees a voice in shaping the program. Let's create a culture where feedback is welcomed and acted upon, because when employees feel heard, they're more likely to be engaged and invested in their own well-being. Wow, we've covered so much ground today. Remember, creating a successful wellness program is about more than just checking boxes. It's about investing in the well-being of the most valuable asset your company has, your people. By incorporating these components, you're not only creating a healthier workplace, you're creating a happier, more productive, and more engaged workforce. Remember, when your employees thrive, your business thrives. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and remember, you have the power to make a difference in the lives of your employees. Go out there and create a workplace where everyone feels valued, supported, and empowered to live their healthiest, happiest lives.